Tracker weather starts now with Chief Forecaster Bob McGuire.
Oh, yeah, that's right. Well, we had a big lightning storm in the Billings area last night and all over much of south central Montana. And we've had several people send in some videos and some stills. Here's some video. Look at this one here. Because I think if you wait a little bit longer, you'll see another big lightning strike. Wow, just like that. This comes from Taylor Fisher. And Taylor, we want to thank you for sending that in. Next time, don't cuss when you send it in to us, okay? I appreciate that. Meanwhile, take a look at this shot. This is from Tammy Hochhalter, and this was like, look at this lightning strike right here. Boy, that was a good one. Last night's storm was moving right through the Molt area, and that's what it looked like. You can see a little shelf cloud there, and look at the lightning strike right at that area. Wow, cool looking shot. Here's the way things are shaping up in Billings right now, though. Yeah, at the moment, we have 74 degrees with clear skies. Humidity right now, 43%, and the wind is out of the east at about 6 miles per hour. Now, our high temp today actually topped out at 84, 88, your regular high. The record 103 back in 1964. Record low is 46 back in 1978. And when it comes to precipitation, look at how much rain we got out of that storm last night. 1.08 inches. That's how much we are for the month, and that's where we needed to be. So obviously we're ahead of normal for the month. For the year, we actually almost got caught up to average. We're at 937. Average for year to date to this date on this day is 942. So we're just a little bit behind, but not far. One good rain shower won't probably get caught up. In the meantime, our current temps around the state have cooled off into the 60s and 70s everywhere we look. But let me show you our reported highs for the day. Everybody got into the 80s across Montana, and a few places like over here Worland and at Livingston, we actually got up into the 90s, low 90s there. So it was a pretty nice day, but not real hot. And as you'll see at the moment, Doppler radar shows you a few scattered light showers along the state line with Wyoming. I think these could even be some false echoes, but let's pull back a little bit farther and show you what's happening. We do see some showers coming out of Idaho, moving into southwestern Montana, some coming out of the park right now. So maybe a little downsloping wind just kind of eating those storms up as they come down off the mountain. But outside of that, there is not much coming on anywhere in our region. What we do see at the surface is a very weak cold front is starting to fall apart, and that continues to make its way in towards the Dakotas. Behind that, here comes another weak cold front starting to develop as well, and you'll see that'll continue to dip a little bit farther south, and then tomorrow will be a little bit cooler in the east, but mostly sunny skies. Out in the west, will actually start to heat up a little bit, and around the mountains, we could see some scattered rain showers in those areas, and so that might cool us off a little bit, a little rain cooled air. But by the time Wednesday gets here, Thursday gets here, that is a warm front sweeping into the region. That's going to cook us up into the 90s, the mid-90s, I think. And then late in the afternoon, you'll see those scattered showers develop out of the mountains, and they'll start pushing their way in towards south central Montana. That is tied to another cold front. That cold front is right now starting to push its way over the rest of the western mountains, and so we're seeing some spotty showers there by the time Thursday evening gets here. In the meantime, here's what you're going to see tonight. Temps cooling back down to the 50s, some low 60s. Really not a bad night, mostly clear skies across much of Montana. Then for tomorrow, we're getting back up into the 80s around the mountains, 90s back here in the plains, back here in extreme eastern Montana, again, mostly into the mid to upper 80s, but once again, mostly sunny skies expected throughout the day tomorrow. But for the Billings area tonight, look for clear skies and 60 degrees. Then for tomorrow, we'll wind up with a high temperature getting back up to 90 with mostly sunny skies. Thursday, 20% chance for an isolated thunder shower. This will be that new cold front moving through. We'll get up to 95 degrees before the cold front moves through, but then a system moves through, and then we'll cool back down into the 80s on Friday, mostly sunny skies then, 87 degrees then on Saturday, back up to 90 degrees, 87 on Sunday, 85 Monday, and again right back up to 90 degrees by Tuesday. That's weather. Let's go back to Russ.